Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was leaking from the tray and it was not producing a full cup of coffee. And that was because of the generator. The generator was not, as you can see, it was rusting and it was leaking from multiple parts and it was not letting water flow freely the way it's supposed to between the water pump and the generator. So we had replaced that, and yeah, that's all we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. We have a little bit of coffee in there, which is great. We're gonna put it around 2 ounces, which is this dot over here. It's going to grind the much grinding that the machine can do, and we're gonna see how it performs. And as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Really good flow coming out of the machine. 1.5 ounces, closer to 2, which was what we got over there. Now we're gonna do that again. Let me just refill the beans on the hopper. Alright, perfect. We'll do that again. This machine requires 3 shots of espresso to fully calibrate, and that's for the whole sensor to calibrate how much to tamper, how much to grind, and we're going to be doing 3 shots of espresso. Again, 1.5 ounces, which is this quantity right here. Okay, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. And 1.5 ounces of liquid. Working perfectly fine and providing the exact quantity that we told the machine to do. Now for the steam, we're going to test that out as well. So first let's test the hot water, and as you can see, we have a nice steady stream coming out of the one, looking very great. When I was testing this machine, there was a lot of milk build up that wasn't here in this steamer one. I recommend to use the steam before and after, to push the steam before and after you use it with milk. That way milk doesn't store in this part over here, and it will not contaminate your fresh milk with old milk. So in this case, we kind of purge it right there, so we can actually redo it back again now with our milk jug if we were frothing milk. That way we know for sure that the steamer one is clean and there's no old milk in there. We will do our milk like this one, and as you can see, this steamer is working really great, having really excellent pressure. Then we will stop the flow, and then we can just purge it once again just to remove the excess of the milk. And just in case, you can also do a little bit of hot water to fully clean the steamer one, so there's no old milk into the one itself and you will not contaminate your milk. The steamer is working perfectly fine, hot water doing great, and steamer working amazingly. Now we're going to check the tray. We did use a little bit of water, so it's going to be a bit of water into the tray. That's because we were using the steamer one. We have 3 bags of coffee right here. There you go. Looking great. Working perfectly fine. And there you have it, DeLonghi Magnifica brewing once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.